Welcome to another tutorial in the CorelDRAW course for beginners. Now here we're going to recreate another logo, and this time we're going to recreate the Instagram logo. Now let's get started. We're going to select the rectangle tool, and then holding down Control, we're going to draw a square. Control Z. So hold down Control. And we have the squares. I'm just going to center it over here like so. Then I'll select the shape tool, click on the edges and drag. So we're into a perfect circle, just something like that. And you can see we have softened the edges. Now with it selected, we're going to select the mesh fill tool. I'm just going to double click here. Then I'll select this area. Now I'm just going to add the colors that we have in the logo. I'll add them as we go. Pink over here. Circular. Orange. So that looks almost perfect. Let's finish up over here with a little more pink. Turn the blue here, and pink over here. Because though this looks close to what we normally have in the Instagram logo, I'm going to leave it at that. So let me just center. We'll draw another square. Hold on the Control key. Just center it here. Try and resize it. Then using the shape tool, I'm going to soften the edges. Control D, create a duplicate. Into here, so let's minimize it. There we go. So you can use the arrow keys to center it. That looks perfect. So I'll select the Smart Fill tool. Click over here. Let's change that to white. There we go. Select the inner part and then remove the fill color, so we're left with it like that. Then we'll select this fold like so and remove the outline. So we have something like that. Now let's add the centerpiece. We have two circles in here, so select the ellipsis tool, hold on Control key. We want a perfect circle. Let's center that. So over here you can choose to zoom in to see your work correctly. So we have that. Control D. I'm going to resize this, and then we're going to center it in the middle like so. And resize it again. There we go. I'll select the smart field again, click over here. Let's change that to white. Select your pick tool. I'll select these two again, holding down the shift key. Let's remove the outline, and we have something like this. So I'm just going to remove this a bit. Like so. So if we zoom out, you can see we have something that looks almost like the Instagram logo. What's remaining is the little white circle that you have at the top. There we go. Let's resize that. Fill color white, and there we go. So that's how you create an Instagram logo in CorelDRAW.